In this video, we'll go over the next 2 steps for continuing to create a presentation about your holiday. In step 4, we will add a title and body slide for each of the 4 facts you have about your holiday. To do that, we'll go over here to the slide layout section, click on the drop-down arrow, and it's important that you choose the layout that says title and body. Click on that slide to add it to your slideshow. Let's do that 3 more times so that we have a title and body slide for each of our 4 facts. The idea is that you will have 1 fact on each slide. Step 5 requires you to add 1 fact into each slide. So now I will go back to my second slide, and in the text box, I will begin typing my first fact. When you're done typing your fact, be sure to reread it so that you can fix any mistakes that you've made. Next, click on your third slide and add your second fact here. Do this for each of the 4 facts you have, putting 1 fact on each of your 4 title and body slides. When you are finished, click back through your slides and check to make sure that they say what you mean for them to say. Check for spelling, punctuation, and capitalization errors. If you see a word with a squiggle under it, right-click or control-click on that word to see suggestions on how to spell it correctly. Fix the mistake. When you are finished, it is time to adjust the size, font, and text color of all of your text. To do that, I'm going to click on my second slide and select the text in my text box by triple clicking on it. Triple clicking on the text selects all of the text, and now I can go up here to my font tool and choose a font. I can also increase the size so that it is easier to read. And lastly, I will adjust the color of the text to complement the rest of my slideshow. Another thing you can do is remove the extra text box that you have on each of your slides by clicking on the edges of the text box and then hitting your delete key. Be sure to delete the text box that you're not using rather than the text box you are using. If you do accidentally delete the text box that you have words typed in, you can always undo that by clicking on the undo button. Once you have finished typing the text in each of your 4 slides and going back and adjusting the size, font, and text color, then you're ready to move on to the next step.